public area. Yeah, but when they start getting tickets in, they will hold it though.
My shit there. Right now, yes, mommy.
Remember when we come down here, Bill? When we come down here to catch the taxi to go back home? Because the big them truck there was thing. Where's this way?
Wait, I'm trying to go say I told him.
And then go, oh yeah, I think you know where it is.
The Margarita Face?
Yeah.
I'm good on box.
Oh, I could best well go this way then.
Then the front. Traffic to see me.
Yeah, because of the thing. But the bus, the stoplight is right here. You should have seen me. I busted a turn to go down this way, down the road there, you know. The taxi. It was right here, babes. I turn in, right? Instead of me turn here, I turn in the next road. I'm going.
One way? So you turn back fast?
I had to reverse. Reverse right out in the road and come up this way. No, bro. When you used to the other side. Bird back. Let the man go on your slippers. All his heel back hanging out. All his heel back hanging out. Going up on this side. See how I could turn the jet? Jesus gracious in me.
Well, if you're not baking, that's something I give you use, man. I got, man. The mule and ass, man. Yeah. My news.
You can walk with a mule, man, but I watch it. You must want some beef.
Wait, who is that? See them walk down here. Them see the man walk down here. Yeah. Huh? Oh, yeah, I walk here.
You know, them man dead being get some them man dead, I told them man dead. Man dead up lying because I'm okay. We are far enough to my left and bed over. Keep doing the one and put him on him up.
No while I'm gonna push it, too much.
Wait, the person they drop off the wild hog for me yet? That's burn. Yes, they're choking. Huh? You scared them tie the steering wheel thing choking? Got no wrap around his neck. further up. This is a resort. The mountains on the south. Burn, there's mangoes out here, you know, but the mangoes don't look good.
Yeah, okay, that's kind of cool.
I take them, what you call it? Yeah. They look kind of forced, right? Look another thing. About trees, about turtle. You're gonna see the ship. Oh yeah, yeah. You're gonna see the ships too. Oh, the big cruise ship gone. Yeah. Yeah, the cruise ship gone. Yeah, the cruise ship. It left now. Don over here is where Don's River Fall is. They put up a swimming program, they took it down. Yeah, swimming program. Right in there. And then the River Fall is right here. What? What's that? What? No. The thing about the River Fall and these places, you know they charge you all cheaper than they charge us? $500 to go in the River Fall. Ask Pete. 500 or 600. You only get, and we gotta pay 25 US. That's almost $2,000. Because they charge the locals cheaper. That's just like it going into a hotel. The locals are cheaper. Just like people want to go to housing trust to consult the man. Yeah, this is a thing where we pass. You see right where we pass, that's where you walk under. But got a bunch of steps. Oh my God, that's where the man said the gym you want me go. Huh? We went to the cave. Yeah. go inland now to see more stuff. Don, you miss out a lot, you know that, right? You miss out a whole lot. I think Ackeem the son, no sir, nothing is missing him. Already he got put the box up on top the rooftop. I don't know if they don't obey the road code.
Taxi man them judge them.
And then kill off people. What?
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
It didn't even open. Make it worse. No, don't make it open. Open, right? Yeah, it open. It open. Have a park in here. And we'll go up in there and walk back down. So when we drive, we just drive right on.
Yeah. Stop light.
Yeah. You want to come, Vern? There's what, give me some money then. Don, come. Don, you need to come stretch your foot. That's what tour. That's what touring is. Thank you, sweetheart.